I'm Sandra, the creator at Sing Play Create, and today I'm sharing some end of the year songs and games you can play. Let's get started. In this video, I will be using one of the songs that's a freebie in the Sing Play Create free resource library. It's also on the Sing Play Create YouTube channel, so you can get the resource there. It has the song, it has the MP3 tracks, it has chords, and it has picture chords for a ukulele. So we'll be using that. Don't forget to go get the freebie. The link is below. This song is called I'll Always Remember You. It's a friendship song. It's a song, and then there's also 2 games that you can play to use with the song. And in the freebie, there is a rhythm activity where students can write their own rhythms and share them. This is a great song that you can use an activity at the end of the school year to build that community, because you're going to get those kids back the next year. Your 2nd graders will then be your 3rd graders, which I know you already know. But if you're a first-year teacher, you may not have processed all that. So when you build community at the end of the school year with your kids, they come back and you know them, and they know that in your classroom, they know you and they know some of the other kids in music class, and it's a great team building and classroom community activity you can do at the end of the year. This is how it goes. School is over. As you can see, it was pretty simple chords, and it's to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So it's pretty easy to play, C, F, and you can play the G7 on all the G chords. And the kids like it, and it's easy for them to do, and we're going to be using the song in the game. Don't forget to go get the free resource with the ukulele chords, the song, and the activities. The link is below. For the game, you're going to need some kind of cush ball or beanbag that the students can toss. They're also going to need to have some kind of compliment ready to pay to the other students, something nice to say. So you might want to brainstorm that before you play the game. Keep it really simple. Like, it could even be "you're cool," or "you're smart," or "you're kind." You could come up with a list of words that they could choose from. That way you'll keep the game going. So what you're going to do is choose one student first to stand in the middle of the circle, and everyone's going to sing the song, "And I'll always remember," and they're going to toss a beanbag when they say the word "you." Now, they're just not going to stand there. We're going to have them spin around. "And I'll always remember you." Don't have them spin on the whole song. And if you want to shorten it, you could just sing that one line or chant, "And I'll always remember you," and toss a beanbag to somebody wherever it lands. And then that person picks it up. And the person in the middle then is going to give the student who caught the beanbag a compliment or say something kind or nice about them. And I tried to have them not be descriptive, like, "Oh, I see you're wearing blue shoes," but have them say something nice about them. And you can do that kind of brainstorming before you play the game. But it's a fun game, and it'll build classroom community. I like to have them standing, because then they have the whole body moving, so that's a good thing to do. So that's a fun game you can use with the song "I'll Always Remember You." After the students have tossed the beanbag, whoever catches the beanbag then becomes the next tosser. And you can play the game until everyone has had a turn to be in the middle and spin and toss and give a compliment. You can then also use this game in smaller groups, and you could put them in groups of 5 or even 6, and they could play on their own as part of another just end of year fun game activity. If you don't want to use a prop like a beanbag or a ball for this game, you can just have them close their eyes and spin and point to someone. That'll make it go faster. And I understand that sometimes when we're tossing things, it can get a little more out of control. So that's just another idea. Now, with the freebie, there is an activity that goes with the game and the song. So then after they've played the game, then they're going to have some ideas about compliments, and they're going to take the freebie that they have, and they can write the rhythm and write the compliment and do the rhythm, and then they give that compliment card to another student. And that way they're then taking the game and they're turning into a music composing activity. And then you can also have them read the rhythms, clap the rhythms, play the rhythms on an instrument at the end of the class, or maybe the next time you could collect all the papers, pass them out, and then have everybody take a turn playing that rhythm and saying it out loud. When I do that kind of activity, I want to make sure that when they say, "I think you're nice," we'll just keep it simple, "I think you're nice," that I have everybody echo it back and show the papers. So they're seeing, they're hearing, and they're doing in this activity. Don't forget to get the freebie in the Sing, Play, Create free resource library. Here's another fun song you can sing at the end of the year, and I've got a fun twist to this song that your students will really like. So it's just to the tune of "Shoe Fly, Don't Bother Me." This is a freebie in the Sing, Play, Create free resource library. You can go and get the sheet music and the chords and activities in that freebie. It just goes like this. Goodbye to all my friends. Goodbye to all my friends. Goodbye to all my friends. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye. That's verse 1. Verse 2 is, have a great summer. Have a great summer. Have a great summer. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye. Verse 3, I'll see you in the fall. 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 Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye. So it's pretty easy to sing, and the chords are just C and G, or you could use the G7 if they don't know how to play the G yet. So use one of those. And then they're going to sing, and they can play the song. You can play it on barred instruments, whichever works for you, or guitar if you're teaching that. And then a way to switch it up is to use some foreign words for the word goodbye in that last line. So instead of singing, "Goodbye, goodbye, my friends, goodbye," I would sing, "Adios, my friends, adios." And you could use that word in all 3 verses. Another word that you could use is sayonara, which is from Japan. Sayonara, my friends, sayonara. And another one I came up with is adieu from France. Adieu, my friends, adieu. So if you like to use foreign words, foreign languages in your music classroom, and you've done some studying of words in different languages and songs you've used, you could bring those into this activity and have the kids sing their Spanish or their French or their Russian or whatever word you've learned in this easy to learn song. Don't forget to go to the Sing, Play, Create free resource library and get this activity. All of these ideas are in the freebie. I hope you'll share your ideas on how you use activities in the comments below. I love to get feedback because it helps me create and make things that are effective and useful for you in your music classroom. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you'll subscribe to the Sing, Play, Create Teaching Tips channel. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.